Hey, Sackboy and Om Nom are back. Do you wanna see?
Hit it.
Bonjour les enfants!
Hello. Sackboy the alien here. Now, at the Daz 3D website, he purchased 3D Universe Toon Elephant with D-Force for $12.50.
T'as vu la taille? T'es hyper favorisé!
Are you kidding me? Whatever. I'll go to Alex's lab for me. Om Nom will stay out of trouble, and watch TV and chill.
The elephant is very big. It's a calf like that. It has a trunk, a tusks, and big ears. He is gray. Elephants live in Africa, jungle, and the zoo. He likes to drink water, and eats grasses, leaves, shrubs, fruits and roots. The time is before elephants are big and strong. You know, it's bigger.
Here somewhere. Doesn't anybody love me?
Whoa.
Sack! Toon Elephant's here!
Oh my, it's an elephant. Edie.
Hey Sack. I am an elephant.
Right.
Excellent.
Thanks.
You're welcome!
Hey, Om Nom. I've got something for you. So, Elephant was first appearance in Sackboy's series in Season 2, 2001. He also appears in Sackboy films, short films, and other media. He was voiced by Kipster Walter in 2001 and Google Translate in 2013. Well, how do you know?
Échec et mat.
You're right, Stan. Well then, see ya.